Hi everyone, so today we will be folding this watch, and this is a model that I just designed. It tells the right time twice a day, but this one, it's a bit small for my wrist, so let's fold a bigger one. Alright, so I'm going to start out with a nice big sheet of 10-inch paper, but printer paper also works pretty well too. This model is more on the easy side, but it's on the hard side of easy, if that makes any sense. Alright, so we actually have two ways we can go about this. If we want a white clock face with colored needles, like this one here, then you want to start white side up. But of course, if you want a colored face with white needles, then we can start colored side up. I'm going to try something a bit different, so I'm going to start colored side up. And let's start by diagonally folding in half. Alright, so we got something like this, and now let's unfold and do the same in the other direction. Alright, and now let's unfold, and let's take this point and put it to that point. And let's turn over, and let's take this edge and fold it to this crease, and let this little flap swing out. Alright, and now let's turn over, and let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, and now let's unfold, and let's take this crease and line it up with this top crease. And let's valley fold back down, and let's valley fold this edge up. And now let's completely unfold. Alright, now let's make a mountain fold along the first crease. Oh, sorry, actually, let's turn over, and then it should be a mountain fold, and then just pleat along the existing creases. So just mountain fold and valley fold, like a zigzag. Alright, and now we want to repeat all of that on this side. And once again, pleat on the existing creases. Alright, and now our model should look something like that. Alright, now let's make the actual watch face. So let's bring these in, and let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And unfold and do the same on this edge. Alright, and now let's unfold, and now let's fold both of these together, and let's fold this to the side. Doesn't really matter which side, just fold it to a side. And now let's rotate and repeat. Alright, now let's take this and fold it over here, and let's take this edge and fold it to the center crease. Now let's open, and let's squash inwards. Alright, now we're going to do a petal fold, so let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same on the other side. Alright, now unfold, and let's pedal fold this upward. So let's do that, and then collapse it upwards. And now let's make the hands colored. Well, decolored, I guess. So let's open this, and let's make a mountain fold all the way across, and let's fold it down like that. So on the sides, it's just like that. And now let's thin them out. So let's fold this flap over, and let's take this edge and fold it to the center crease. And let's fold back over, and then do the same thing on this side. Alright, now rotate, and let's do the same thing on this flap. Alright, and now if we zoom out, those are the clock hands. Alright, now we want to curve our watch handles just so that it fits nicely around our wrist. So let's take a pen, and let's put it at the top here. And let's just curve it around our model like this. Actually, let's just stop here, like about there. And then let's unfold, or uncurl I guess, and then let's repeat the same on the other side. Alright, and then now our watch should have curled edges. Kind of looks like a mustache a little bit. Now what we want to do is make a mountain fold just about here, and now let's valley fold it out right here. There's not really a reference to this, just make it so it looks kind of like a hexagon. And then let's do the same on this side, mountain and valley, and we've got ourselves something that kind of looks like a watch. Alright, so now to actually put this on our hand. So what we want to do is turn it over, put it on your desired hand, and let's take this and this one, and you want to find out which one is a bit longer, because now I see that this one's a bit longer, so you just want to tuck it in there just until it reaches about the thickness of your hand. Since I use 10-inch paper, I might have to go a little farther. If you use printer paper, then you won't have to go as far, and that's obviously the advantage with that. Alright, and now we got this. It's a little big, so just to make it a little bit of a better fit, we can modify these pleats. We can make them a little bit bigger. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm just making the valley fold a little farther this way. Then we can do the same on this one. And then just fiddle it to match your wrist. Alright, and I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, that's the watch. I hope you enjoyed folding that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.